OMG. Look what I got from Laz Valdes to Rufus Cat. Here, hold that so that I can open it. Look what I got. Make sure there's nothing in there.
You almost cut my leg, dude.
I did not almost do anything. Look what I got. Look. Oh, I know what that is. He even says so right there. Wow. This is some handmade shit right here. There's my blue tiger. Look at my blue tiger. Wow. Lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Man, oh man. Laz, you're the best. I love you, bro. Thank you. What's this? It's probably the other tiger, right? You made it twice, didn't you? Come on. There's the other one. Wow. Lovely. This is the one right here, though. This was the one with all the texture. Look at that texture. Hold still. Get the light. Let me just swirl around. That's beautiful. Wow, Laz. I love you, bro. Thank you. Look at this. Miss Nancy Pants. The one holding the camera. This is for you, and you don't know it. Look what Laz made you.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Look what Laz made you.
Thank you, Laz. They're beautiful.
Those are made out of crushed stone and epoxy. Very meticulous. Layers and layers and layers and layers to build up and create. He starts with a drawing and he uses his tiny little brush and he puts a little epoxy and he puts on sprinkled crushed stone of different colors. Absolutely phenomenal, Laz. I love you, bro. That's phenomenal. I'm going to get you back, my friend. That's beautiful. Thank you. Thank you so, so much. That's amazing. Look at that. You're the best, Laz.
Thanks, Laz.
I'm going to hit you back, bro. I swear to God.